So guys, here we are in 99 Nights in the Forest. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you all of the working codes that you can redeem inside the game for the new animal taming update. I've got a bunch of new working codes to redeem here, so whatever you do, don't skip around or go anywhere. Otherwise, you'll miss out on all of these newest codes today. Believe me, there's a lot to get through. Now, quickly before we get into any of these new working codes, I want to do a giveaway. You guys can win 700 free diamonds! All you have to do is 1. Like this video, 2. Subscribe to the channel, 3. Comment your Roblox username below, and most importantly, watch this video all the way through. Do all these steps, and you'll be entered for a chance to win. Alright guys, we have a lot of work and a lot of 99 Nights in the Forest codes to redeem. Without further ado, let's get into the newest codes. If you don't know how to claim codes in 99 Nights in the Forest, go to the currency shop, click on codes, and type your codes in there. These codes aren't in any specific order, so let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on